I'm so hungry, baby. What you got for me? Feed me something delicious.
YouTube food vlog, baby.
Good day, good day. So I'm here in Baltimore, Towson to be exact, checking out some Indian food, some tandoori chicken, some curry goat, naan. It's a food truck, as you see. Uh, supposed to be just like home. That's the name of it. You can put the description in the link. You can follow them and check us out. Food vlog, YouTube food vlog for the job. We're here in Baltimore. Good day, good day. We in Baltimore, Towson to be exact, so Baltimore County. We eating Indian food, checking out Just Like Home. Follow them on social media. It's right here. They pop up 2 times a week, I think she said. Right here on Lock Raven Boulevard. So if you're coming down from Philly, Jersey, anywhere up north, hop right off of 95 and what's that, 695 or something like that, the inner loop, whatever, and it's like 4 minutes from the highway and you hit it. But you can taste their what's that, the curry goat. Try the curry goat. And they said that they was from
Curry goat?
From southeast Mumbai. So it's very important to ask sometimes. It's not an ignorant question, because all Indian food is not the same. It depends, it's like regional. It depends on what regional they come from. So you may get more spicier than one place. You know, some Indian food, their region is not, they don't eat meat. So they just eat, they're vegan basically. And they, you know, so.
And if I remember correctly, I think the southern portion of the country has the spiciest.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, probably. I'm not sure, but he said that the tandoori chicken we got is flavorful, not spicy. So that could be a plus too. But their wings seem to be the hot thing now. I couldn't get them pre-orders; they were sold out. They opened up at 4, closed at 7. So you got to pre-order during the day. Just text it, tell them you want to order wings. A lot of people are pulling up and they leaving because they want the wings. But to me, tandoori is both done the same way. It's just that this chicken is like, I guess a leg or
It is. Like
yeah, chicken leg. But he said to put the lemon on it. But I mean,
it looks delicious though.
yeah, it looks the same. So I'm not gonna hold you. And then they put I think tiki sauce. He said tikka sauce on it on the rice.
Oh, okay.
So
It looks good.
we're gonna try this lamb.
It's goat.
I mean goat. I'm sorry, not lamb. But let's check this out. See what that's hitting for.
Some of these are like bigger pieces of meat.
It was not spicy. It is, you know, it has the spices in it, but it's not spicy. I think this was like $13. Nice pieces in it, unless you're a greedy, you know, fat boy, fat girl, whatever.
Wow.
Or, I mean, you know, you may just be a person that like to eat.
Yeah.
This can feed like 3 people, I would say. But so $13, 2 people, generously.
Yeah.
So you're talking about $6.50.
per serving.
Per serving, and that's good. You know, that's what you gotta think when you look at stuff. Some people they talk about that $15, $20 price, but is it enough food to feed 2 people? Because like these serving sizes aren't actually, one person shouldn't be eating all that. And that's my, you know, my opinion. I'm not a scientist, I'm not a nutritionist, but I'm just saying, you know, it's a lot of food for one person to dig into and really eat. And like, I know people watch these food reviews. No, we don't eat all this food. I just want to let y'all know. We have a family, we got kids, so usually this food feeds about 5 people. When we, whatever, so we may spend $50, but, or 60, sometimes 100, but equivalent to the amount of people that we can feed off of it. That's how I gather the worth of it. I think it's, you know.
It's equivalent to if you go to a sit-down restaurant.
Right.
Or what we would spend for us and the kids.
Let me get the top. So, I mean, that's a banger. I like that.
That's nice.
I'll get that an A. I mean, customer service wise, they're nice people. They explain stuff to you. I'll get them an A. Location, it's parking here. It's like they're doing it in a church parking lot. So you got parking, you can sit here and eat, you know what I mean? If you're coming from far like we did, that you don't have a place to eat in the car, taste your food, take something home with you, you know what I mean? It's worth it. We did get there samosas and parada. That's like the naan. We got that also, so. But
Want the food?
no, the food. Excuse me, my co-host is hungry, I guess, and they fixated on eating what they eating. So.
Not sure. I was asking if you wanted the spoon so I can put the lid on this one.
Yeah, you put a lid on it. So actually, that's the parada. That's not the naan.
Oh, this one is?
Yeah, that's the fry bread, like how we did at home on the flat top.
Oh, okay.
And you puff it and it fry up. So that's what that is. The naan is actually right here.
Oh, okay. Oh, samosas?
Yeah, 4 samosas.
That's about the usual, right?
Yeah, they pretty big. Man, it's good. It's not spicy like the other ones. It's like real spicy. You can put the little green chutney in it. I actually like the sweeter chutney. It seems like a lot of them don't use for whatever reason. But it's a plum chutney. Sometimes it's made out of dates. But I like that better than the green chutney. One of the best samosas I can say that I had is in Philly. Walnut Street. It's, I want to say like 44th and Walnut. There's a supermarket there, like an Indian grocery store, and they sell samosas. Remember I used to bring the ones in the bag? Yeah. I think they the best ones I had. They're like $2, and all they have is like samosas and the pakora and stuff like that. But that's the best samosa I've ever had, really.
Okay.
Well, this one is good. It's not spicy like the ones we had in the house. They was kind of spicy. Yeah.
Well, sometimes they make them so spicy that for some people it can be a bit, unbearable.
Right, but
Unless
that's
you
why
really like.
I think I like the sweet sauce because the sweet with the
Okay.
heat, it
kinda
mellows it out.
tempers it.
Yeah. But that's more of like a savory.
Okay.
Like, I don't know. I just like the other sauce. Where it seems like unless you buy it and put it in your house or buy it from an Indian grocery, like I don't know if it's more expensive, it's cheaper for that one. They just don't. A lot of places don't have it.
I better try some.
You did the one that's in the refrigerator.
It smells, I don't know, kind of citrusy.
It's like cilantro in it.
Yeah, that's what, or cilantro lime
Right.
dish.
Mm-hmm.
Right, and it smells very green, almost like a smoothie.
Yeah.
That's what it reminds me of, the scent.
I mean, I don't care for it too much, but
I mean, it's not bad.
no, it's not bad at all. So,
On to the next.
going to this tandoori. My man said,
Make sure you put the lemon on.
yeah, the lemon changes the dynamics of things. I try to tell people about the dynamics of food and how that works and certain things, and people just don't get it. They think it's a joke. Certain things can change the whole food. Like, it really can. Wow. So that's citrus with that charred taste. That's doing something right there. Mhm. So take some of this. It has the tikka sauce on the rice. So that's good. It was definitely it's definitely worth it. I ain't gonna hold you. You like it? So this is the naan, actually. The garlic naan, and then a lot of So try this bread right here. It's fried actually, versus the naan is more doughy. This is more like flaky. Yeah. Huh? I don't know. With the lemon sprinkles
Yeah,
on
it's good. It has a nice char on it, a nice char flavor.
Yeah.
The spices and then the lemon.
So
Pretty good.
do yourself a favor. If you come and they sold out of the wings, it's the same chicken. It's a whole piece of a chicken leg.
Right, instead of chicken.
So I don't know, you know what I mean? Maybe you like white meat chicken wings versus the dark meat, but this joint It's good.
Yeah, it was worth the trip.
Put some more lemon on there.
And people seem to like it.
Yeah, they got a nice business coming. They not playing.
Mm-hmm.
They not playing out here. But, so, and another thing, like, you know what I mean, don't be scared to eat with your hands. You know what I mean? Get into that thing. Let it, you know, touch your food. Eat it. Let it be a part of you. Because it's going in your body. Like I said, that's it. That's all, folks. You know what I mean? Thank you for checking us out. YouTube Food Vlog 2021. We've been bringing you stuff since the new year started. We ain't playing. Keep liking, keep sharing, keep commenting. DM me, hit me up on some places you'd like to see us go. Philadelphia, New Jersey, Maryland. We in your area. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the subscribe, notification, hit the shop button up top. Support us on these journeys. Hit the link in the bio. If you're getting at us from social media, that'll send you to everything that we have, the Philly John podcast. We're going to start that up on a weekly basis. In conjunction with the podcast, if you're on Clubhouse, we have a YouTube, we're actually connected on Clubhouse. And I got to thank my man, Fred Dorsey, the realtor. He put me onto that, hooked me up, got me in there. So I'm actually YouTube Food Vlog on Clubhouse. So we're going to open that up with the Philly John podcast, and that's phillyjohnpodcast.net. We're going to try to do a weekly podcast. There's some content already on there from last year and the year before last, but we're going to start doing it more often like we've been doing the food vlogs. Just starting about talking about stuff, like regular stuff, food, fashion, and conversation. That's what's at the top of the Philly John YouTube banner. If you follow us on Philly John, you know, we also have the other sister channel, YouTube Food Vlog. And they both, you know, YouTubeFoodVlog.com. Go there. All the social media links. PhillyJohn.net. Go there. You know, Philly John merch. Support. Hit the shop buttons. Notifications. We need your help. We need you. You know what I mean? We thank you for watching. Tell a friend, and don't stay silent in the background. Keep on watching. But let's converse. Let's talk. And shout out to the boy. What is it? Grub Plug 410. I seen him here today. Check out some of his work on Instagram. I think he do have a YouTube channel also, but check him out. He stays in the Maryland and DC area, but he has some good content. He's in the hood. He's checking out small businesses, African American owned businesses. You know, man, check him out too. He's a good YouTuber. I like his content. But shout out to all the people that's out here that's, you know, getting down and YouTubing or whatever they doing, Instagramming, however you trying to make it in 2021. Stay motivated, stay up, stay positive, you know. Just continue on your journey. Stay positive. Peace.